Can I cook frozen chicken wings in a slow cooker or pressure cooker instead of thawing them?
Hello, food enthusiasts. Today, we're discussing a common question. Can I cook frozen chicken wings in a slow cooker or pressure cooker instead of thawing them first? We know that time is precious and sometimes, we just want to make a quick, delicious meal without any extra hassle. So let's find out the best and safest ways to do this.
Can I cook frozen chicken wings in a slow cooker?
Yes, you certainly can. But there are some considerations to keep in mind. While a slow cooker provides a convenient, hands-off method of cooking, it also takes a longer time to bring food up to a safe temperature. The danger here is that frozen chicken wings might stay too long at a temperature at which bacteria can grow. So, while it's technically possible to cook frozen chicken wings in a slow cooker, it isn't the safest option. If you still choose to use the slow cooker, ensure your slow cooker is hot enough to cook the chicken thoroughly.
Can I cook frozen chicken wings in a pressure cooker?
A pressure cooker, particularly an electric one, is a more ideal option for cooking frozen chicken wings directly. Thanks to its high-pressure cooking method, it quickly brings the food up to a safe temperature, which minimizes any food safety concerns. Most pressure cookers have a setting for cooking poultry from frozen, so you just need to follow your device's instructions. Generally, frozen wings will need to cook at high pressure for about 20 to 25 minutes. Do keep in mind that this doesn't include the time the pressure cooker takes to come up to pressure, which can be another 10 to 15 minutes.
What about thawing?
Thawing is the traditional way to prep frozen chicken wings before cooking. It ensures even cooking and is a safer option from a food safety standpoint. However, if you're in a hurry, a pressure cooker can be your savior. If you decide to thaw, remember to do so in the refrigerator, cold water, or in the microwave if your model has a defrost setting. Never leave chicken to thaw at room temperature as this increases the risk of bacterial growth. And there we have it. While it's possible to cook frozen chicken wings directly in both a slow cooker and a pressure cooker, the pressure cooker is the safer and quicker option. However, nothing beats the traditional method of thawing your wings first. No matter how you decide to cook your chicken wings, just ensure they reach a minimum internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, to be safe and enjoy your meal. Happy cooking, everyone!